In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the Wi-Fi password for the network you're currently connected to on Windows 11. This is useful when you need to connect another device or share your network with someone, but can't remember the password. To begin, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. When the Control Panel app appears in the results, click to open it. Inside the Control Panel, look for Network and Sharing Center. If you don't see it like me, just search in the top right search bar and select it. This section shows all your active network connections. Next to the word Connections, you'll see the name of your Wi-Fi network. Click on that network name to open a new window called Wi-Fi Status. In the Wi-Fi Status window, click on Wireless Properties. Another window will open with two tabs at the top. Choose the Security tab. Now look for the section labeled Network Security Key. This is where Windows stores your Wi-Fi password, but it's hidden by default. To reveal it, simply check the box that says Show Characters. As soon as you check that box, your Wi-Fi password will appear in the field. This is the exact password your computer uses to connect to your wireless network. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully viewed your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. This method is fast, reliable, and works for any network your PC is already connected to. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more clear and simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.